How to make scrolling text in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to head over to Windows and then click Workspace, and then we're just going to go ahead and open the graphics workspace. So I'm here right now, and the first thing that we are going to do is basically head over to the last part of our clip. You can do that by clicking the clip and then going to Effect Controls and just dragging your playhead till its end. Now after doing so, go ahead and click the text tool and then go ahead and type it here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and copy these names here. I'm going to put it here just like so. Now you can go ahead and change these. For example, basically I'm just going to go ahead and make them bigger and then put them in the center. Alright, there you go. After doing so, I'm just going to click this one right here in order for me to unselect the text. Now I'm going to click this one, click this once again, and then I'm going to click where it says roll. Alright, after doing so, you can just go ahead and play it, and you can see that now we have made a scrolling text. Now if you want to speed it up, you can just go ahead and drag this one, basically shortening that one, just like so. And then the same thing, if you want to make it slower, you can just go ahead and drag it longer, just like so. And that is how to make scrolling text in Premiere Pro.